Welcome to this quick tutorial how you can export and import Google Chrome bookmarks. So first I'm gonna go to these three dots right here in this corner, go to Bookmarks, and then we want to look for Bookmark Manager, or the key shortcut is Ctrl+Shift+O. Click on it. Then we need to go to these three dots right here which say Organize, press on them, and this way we get the option to either import bookmarks or export bookmarks. So if you export them, click on it, it's gonna ask you where it should go. I'm gonna go to downloads, save it there, and as you can see I've already done this. Just replace it. You don't get a prompt like a usual Google Chrome file, but if you go to downloads right here, we see that we in fact have all of our bookmarks exported with or in HTML file. So if you want to import bookmarks, again you click on these three dots that say Organize, Import Bookmarks, and then just click Open, and it loads up. Thank you for watching. Take care.